President Draupadi Murmu is on a 3-day visit to Jharkhand to inaugurate the new building of the Jharkhand High Court. India and Australia on Wednesday signed agreements in the field of migration and mobility partnership and on the Green Hydrogen Task Force. Third Khelo India University Games started with the Kabaddi event on 23rd May evening in Gautam Buddh Nagar district of Uttar Pradesh. As per the official notification, the Meghalaya Board of School Education has announced that the results of the Higher Secondary School Living Certificate Art Stream and Secondary School Living Certificate examination will be declared on May 26. India Meteorological Department (IMD) has forecast well spell over northwest part of the country due to an active western disturbance till 26th of this month.